Okay, so you want to see the problem. This is going to be it. This is the box. There is no damage to the box that would cause the damage to the switch itself. I'm going to pause this and then get my hand to open it. Okay, it's out of the outer sheath here. Open up the box. There's no apparent, there's a minor dent there, nothing significant. That's not going to cause the damage that's to the switch. Open up the box. Turn it this way, I guess. Try not to do anything here. Nothing apparent in here. If we take the unit out, again, nothing with the box. No damage in shipping. I take it out of the sleeve. Alright. Look at that. See there? Does that look normal to you? Does that look normal? Do you see any way that damage? I mean, there's a scratch here. I don't know how that occurred unless that wasn't by me, but do you see any way that that switch could have got smashed other than during the manufacturing or somehow just before the assembly? Explain that to me. Other than that, the thing looks perfect. Looks absolutely perfect here. No physical damage anywhere else. Just that EDID switch is smashed to smithereens. Now, and whatever this scratch is, I mean, that's cosmetic to me, but what the hell? Quit questioning me and provide a solution. This is not what I paid for, a damaged product.